I'm going to show you how you can take your synthetic wig from this right here to this. I know lots of you have been buying wigs on Shein and they've been sending you rubbish hair, but I'm going to show you how you can restyle that bulb wig, that £8 wig you bought on Shein or any of all those websites like AliExpress and the rest of them. How you can style your synthetic wig in the comfort of your home. So one thing I noticed about synthetic hair is that it tends to tangle when it starts to get old or when you've used it for a bit. So you want to use a comb and gradually comb it from the back side of the wig. Just comb it in small sections. You can use the wider comb to comb it first. Then you use a comb that has like thinner spaces to comb through the areas you already combed with the wider comb. By just combing through the hair, you're going to notice that the hair is becoming smoother, it's beginning to look straighter and more put together, unlike how it looks before I combed it. You know, when I'm styling human hair extension, you basically see me using hair products and using heat to style it. But because this is synthetic hair, I cannot use all those products because it's not real hair. It's not going to, putting products on synthetic hair is not going to make the hair look better. That's the reason why I didn't even bother with using any products. And this wig is also clean. That's the reason why I didn't bother with washing it as well. So synthetic hair is not the type of hair you have to be washing all the time. It doesn't require a whole lot of washing, except it's something that you probably sweated a whole lot on and then it's dusty, it's greasy and messy. But this particular one here is not dusty and greasy. So after after I combs the middle part area, and I'm gonna use my hair straightener to straighten it. And the hair straightener is on the lowest heat at 150 degrees Celsius. That's the lowest heat on this particular hair straightener that I'm using. That's the reason why the hair is not melting away, because it's on the lowest heat. If it wasn't on the lowest heat, the hair is going to melt. So when you're styling synthetic hair, and let's say you want to style it to be straight, you want to ensure that you put your styling tool on the lowest heat possible. And because it's on the lowest heat, you notice that the hair is actually responding and it's straightening the way as I'm using the hair straightener to straighten the hair. So guys, if you're watching this video so far and you like it, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed, and follow me for more updates on my social media platforms. I'm on Instagram, Linda Izemidolu. I'm also on TikTok, Linda Izemidolu there too. Follow me on other social media platforms, and please share my video with somebody else who's also going to get value out of it. And if you've not purchased my ebooks, hair extensions and how to test its quality, how to start your hair business, they are all available on my website. Also, the paperback copy of how to start your hair business is on Amazon, so you can use the link at the description box to reach these links and purchase the ebooks that are going to be very beneficial to you as you're going into the hair business, rather as you're starting your hair business. Or if you just want to just learn more about hair, because you don't want to be doing a business and you don't really know so much about the business that you're doing. So purchase these ebooks and read them, and you're going to learn a whole lot from them. So you notice that I'm just taking my time now to style the hair at the upper part of this wig, because the backside wasn't really rough. That's the reason why I didn't have to spend so much time at the backside. I'm just trying to show you the level I put the heat at, which was at the first level. That's the area that is 150 degrees Celsius. And you notice that the front part is really tangled. That's the reason why I have to first comb through it with a wide comb, and then after combing it with the wide side, I use this part that is thinner to comb through it again. Then I use my hair straightener to straighten it without putting any heat protectant or any styling products. No product whatsoever, because by the time I put product on this hair, it's going to make it to be greasy, it's going to make the hair to be wet, and by the time the hair is wet, I'm going to need more heat to get it to be dry. So don't put any product on the hair, just put the hair styling tool on the lowest heat possible. And I'm going to keep on doing the same process of detangling the hair with a wider tooth comb. Then I'll switch over to use the thinner area when it's completely detangled, and then I'll use my hair straightener to straighten it. I'm just using that tail end comb to reach out to that area that looked a bit rough, and I'm using that Cloud9 hair straightener to straighten the hair. Yes. So somebody recently asked me in the comment section of my video about the Oriamo hair straightener, and I haven't used that product yet, and I have to purchase it to be able to do a review and probably compare it to the Cloud9 hair straightener to advise you guys on which one is better off. And this particular part of the videos for my subscribers, or rather my viewers who are in Nigeria, because Oriamo is a Nigerian brand. So I'll probably purchase it and review it, but then that'll be until I have a lot of money, because man, I've had a lot of expenses of recent. So yeah, we need money. Manifesting a lot of money into my life. A lot of money into my life. A lot of money. So if you're watching this video, send me money. Your girl needs money. Yeah. So back to styling the wig. You notice that I'm almost done with the process of styling this hair. I finished like the back side. I'm on the upper part of the wig, and I'm just cutting the hair in small sections. I comb through it, and I use my hair straightener to straighten the hair. Also, I sell wigs on Instagram and on my website. If you need a wig, please holla at me on Instagram. Check out my business page at ENL Beauty Hair. For egg, N for Nigeria, L for Lagos, beauty, hair. That's the business name on Instagram. And once you just check my personal profile on Instagram, you can easily see ENL Beauty Hair as one of the businesses I tagged, which is my business. So if you want to order wigs from me, you can reach out to me on Instagram, or even shop from my website, and I'll be glad to ship the wig to you wherever you are in the world. So I'm using that hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area, and you can see how beautiful this hair looks. Mind you, this is synthetic hair, and it doesn't even have a closure. The closure area is a fake closure area. So what I'm going to do around that closure area is put some concealer there, but right about now I want to use my clipper to clean out the bottom part of this wig, just to ensure that the bottom looks clean, it looks well put together and beautiful. You can imagine what the wig looked like before and what it looks like right now. And you know, most times when you order those bob wigs, that is of course synthetic hair, and they market it so well and you think that it's so beautiful and all, when you receive it, the bangs are not really going in the same direction, probably because of how it was packaged for shipping. Let's say you receive it and you don't want to wear the wig as bangs, or you're trying to make it into a bang but it's not really banging like you should. You can just use your hair straightener and straighten it like I'm doing in this video, and you can wear this wig as a middle part, you can wear it as a side part. Like, I really love how this wig turned out looking after I styled it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. And what I'm doing right now is applying concealer on that area. That's the area that has the fake closure thing. It's sort of like rubber plastic that is in there, but I'm just putting that concealer there to make it look like it's skin, or to make it look more natural. So after putting that concealer there, what I'm going to do next is just comb through the hair a bit and trim out this side here that has some hairs that are not going in the same direction as the rest of them. Just going to trim it out, and we are almost done with this tutorial. If you're watching this video so far, you got to this point, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and share this video with somebody who is going to get a lot of value out of it. This is basically how you can restyle your synthetic hair, especially if your synthetic hair is actually heat resistant synthetic hair. Put it in low heat and get to styling it just the way I styled it in this video. And you don't have to cut yours to be this short. If you don't want yours to be this short, you don't have to deal with a clipper. Just straighten it, comb through it, straighten it, and you'll be pleased with the turnout of how your wig is going to look. Yes, and don't forget to purchase my ebooks on my website, how to start your hair business, hair extensions, and how to test its quality. And the paperback copy is available on Amazon, and you can shop wigs from me on Instagram on at ENL Beauty Hair, and follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me just show you the finished look of the wig after I finished trimming the bottom parts. Yes, and you would so love it. Can you imagine what we started from and where we are at right now? Can you believe this is actually synthetic hair? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Check out my other videos. Bye, love.